So good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the punctuation marks. Punctuation is the system of symbols that we use to separate sentences and to make their meaning clear. Each symbol is known as a punctuation mark. So there are many types of punctuation mark, but we are going to discuss only few, and one of them is full stop, which is also known as period. Use a full stop at the end of a sentence. The full stop is used at the end of a sentence. Example, a man has arrived. He sat down. He's a good boy. Or we can say that my name is Shalini. Full stop. And then full stop is used at the end of an indirect question. Example, the teacher asked why Maria had left out the easy exercise. Or my father used to wonder why Jack's ears were so big. We have next is question mark. Question mark is used at the end of all direct questions. Example, what is your name? Question mark. Did you send euros or dollars? Question mark. And then mark is used after a tag question like you are French, aren't you? Snow isn't green, is it? And don't forget to use a question mark at the end of a sentence that really is direct question. Like how else would I get there after all? Then we have next. Then we have colon. Use a colon to introduce a list. Colon is used mostly to introduce a list. We can see many things in the sky at night, like moon, the star, the planet, comet, planes, even satellites. Actually, you can use a colon to introduce a single item, especially when you want to emphasize that item. Example, there is one thing that he will not accept stupidity. The job of a colon is simple to introduce. Have next is comma. Use a comma between items in a series or list. In a sentence, the last two items usually do not need a comma between them as they are separated by and. However, if one or both of the last two items are long, a comma may be useful. Example, coffee, tea, sugar, milk, eggs, butter, salt. And my favorite sports are football, rugby, swimming, boxing, and golf. And then then we can use comma between three or more adjectives or adverb. Like I like the old brown, comma wooden table. He bought an old red open-top Volkswagen. He ran quickly, quietly, and effortlessly. And we can also use comma in place of and. We can replace the and with comma, like it was a short comma simple film, but uh, we can easily write it as a it was a short and simple film. Then another example, I have a big comma black dog, but we can also write it this as a I have a big and black dog. So this is all for today. So we discuss about the full stop, question mark, colon, and comma. So I hope you understood this. Thank you so much.